Walked in the shop, lights came on, brand new machine, sitting strong, still wrapped up, but I already know this one's about to steal the show. Red beam glowing, metal shines, lines cut perfect every time. Hit record, y'all had to see what this laser's doing to me. Steel meets fire, sparks take flight, turn raw metal into art tonight. Just a sneak peek, burning bright, new fiber laser coming to life. Fast so quick you barely blink, done engraving before you think. Coins and steel, logos too, got a whole lot more to show you. Don't go nowhere, stay right here, full unboxing this weekend, yeah. Hit start and the job is done, faster than any tool I've run. Deep clean mark, sharp and bold, watch precision take control. Keys, tags, plates, custom signs, every pass draws perfect lines.